2025. The year opens with a thunderous presence, not on a battlefield or a mine, but in the echoing silence of a luxury showroom, where the raw power of the Caterpillar D70 Bulldozer stands still like a mechanical monument. Under the glossy, white lighting and surrounded by marble floors that reflect its every angle, this machine does not roar. It intimidates in silence. At first glance, it's a paradox. Industrial force displayed like fine art. But this is Caterpillar's new definition of prestige. The D70's massive blade sits inches above the polished floor, its steel edges sharpened like a sword forged for titans. The showroom lighting caresses every groove of its forged carbon steel frame, emphasizing the sheer mass of this beast. The blade is wider than two pickup trucks placed side by side, a warning to anything foolish enough to stand in its path. High-gloss black hydraulic arms grip it like limbs carved from obsidian, their muscular cylinders exposed like sinews of an animal built for domination. The bulldozer's tracks are a masterpiece of industrial engineering, oversized, rugged, and ultra-detailed. Each steel plate gleams with a reflective polish that contrasts beautifully with the deep treads still carrying the simulated dust patterns applied for showroom aesthetics. You notice the gold-toned bolts locking each segment in place, a subtle hint that even brutality can be refined. The tracks don't just roll, they make a statement. This machine doesn't follow roads, it creates them. Move closer, and the cockpit of the D70 invites scrutiny. Unlike the traditional utilitarian interior one would expect from a bulldozer, this one feels like a control capsule from a sci-fi war machine. The cabin glass is tinted with a deep metallic hue, but once illuminated, it reveals a light golden interior. Custom-stitched leather seats with cat embroidery, brushed aluminum control levers, and an aircraft-inspired digital dashboard that dominates the front panel. Touchscreens glow softly, displaying torque readouts, hydraulic pressures, real-time terrain scanning, and autonomous navigation modes. In this machine, man and metal converge seamlessly. Walk around the side, and your eyes meet the showroom wall, where Caterpillar D70 Absolute Earth Authority is displayed in matte black letters against a soft ivory panel. Beneath it, an LED screen plays slow-motion footage of the D70 demolishing hillsides and forging paths through dense jungle, synchronized to cinematic bass-heavy music. Every frame reinforces one message: this bulldozer is not a tool, it's